Well, hello you guys, welcome to the stream. What's up? How are you doing? I see I was a bit late here. The countdown has reached 0, but here we are. Welcome to the stream today, guys, where I'll be working on a new bot basically for the stream for Dwarftopia. Hopefully we can get something up that isn't limited and that can keep up with you guys in the chat. Hey Guardian, Catherine, and Lee, welcome back you guys. Thank you for tuning in. Hey TV fam, what's up? So we got Waston and Binary here too, and Miner with Comedy. Welcome back, Miner. Oh, so yesterday didn't really suit me that much. I was a bit hungover yesterday, guys. I suddenly got invited out. What was that, Thursday? To a bar, basically for a raffle competition. There was some dice games there that we did, and then we played beer pong. Then we went on to playing foosball at another bar. So basically, it got really late, but it was good times, really good times. Yeah, you were almost wondering what would happen if the game got big, like 100+ views. Yeah, the game would break as it is right now. There would be so few people who would actually be able to use commands. Yo, Snap Gangs, welcome back. Beer pong, yeah. Now about that beer pong. Wow, I sucked. Me and my teammates, we lost every beer pong game. I think we did. It was only 3 games, to be fair, but we lost all of them. Wow. Get wrecked in beer pong. But then we made the best choice of the entire evening, moving on to foosball instead. Damn. They couldn't handle our moves, guys, at the foosball table. That was pretty great. So that we won some free beer and free shots on that. So it's kind of contributed to the hangovers yesterday, of course. But I unfortunately don't have much time today because I have a double birthday party to go to this evening, so stream won't be that long, so let's get right to it. I'm gonna hop right over here. Damn. Show you guys what I've been working on for today. So what I was thinking about was what should we do to fix the issue with Ankbot, because it can't keep up. We need another bot, and I wasn't sure what I was gonna use, because we got Sadie Pardis gave us the code for his C# bot, and we got Pereira working on a Node.js bot, which is gonna be like a pretty full feature and awesome. The double party, double fun, double the hangover, triple the hangover. Yeah, it's gonna be interesting. I am planning on doing a stream tomorrow, guys, just with gaming. That was the plan with some of the games you guys have requested that we played on stream. So hopefully I won't be too hungover tomorrow, because then we can do the special. So yeah, there was a lot of options, a lot of ways that we could accomplish this or solve this problem here. What I was trying to figure out was the best way of doing it without rewriting the entire game. And this I don't think this is what I came up with here is probably not going to be the final solution. Are you just listening today, Snack Kings? It's totally fine. It's good to have you here. You can lurk and chill. It might not be the final solution to this, guys, but I do believe that we can adapt this without too much work and without redoing everything, and we can still get a really good result. So basically, I ended up, I found a Java chatbot framework called PircBot or PIRC-bot, which you can basically just extend and use as your own chatbot, and it's really easy to get going with. Like, it took so little code to get connected to the chat and to the Whisper servers, and it's actually running right now. I killed it. We can boot it up right now. It is actually, now it is running in the chat over here, meaning we can talk to it. The only command I put in so far is the time commands. I mean, just basically means when anyone types time in the chat, you get a whisper. You get a whisper back with the time, current time at my place. So I'm gonna convert our PHP scripts to use this one, and basically keep the actual chatbot as simple as possible by only using it to talk to the users, and that's it. It's only gonna recognize commands, request a response from PHP, and send that response back. So the actual Twitch chatbot is gonna be really small and simple, and I think that would be nice. And the cool thing is that they have, this framework handles like everything. I can just, it has an built-in message queue. I can set the message send delay to whatever I want. Sack seems to be the holy grail again to make a lot of gold. Yeah. They should be equal though, Gardan. In terms of average gain, they're equal right now. Because they all have, on average, there's a 25% gain right now on Sacrifice, Coin Flip, and Dragon Hunt. Hey, what's up, Lee? I think I'll have to tune it down to maybe 20% or 15%, because it might be too good right now. It hasn't exploded like before, but it might still be too good. But that's easy to tune that down. But I will just get started implementing this bot and changing our PHP. Hopefully we can make it happen today. Dragon Hunt is made super interesting stuff, and digging it a lot. Oh, cool, cool. I'm super glad that you guys like the new Dragon Hunt, especially because it was such an easy thing to change. I just didn't think about it. I just implemented exactly what I had on my channel without thinking too much. But then I thought, hey, maybe it should actually involve some more risk, but then have some greater gains. Then it would be more interesting. So as you can see here, the entire bot, this entire bot running the time command right now is these 3 files here, and it is a combined like less than 100 lines of code, and it can send whispers and regular messages. It can't I receive whispers, but I don't know how to respond to them yet. But we don't need that. People don't actually need the feature to whisper the bot. It would be cool, but let's leave that for now. Game is good now. Seems like people spending most time in there. Gambling is in the leaderboard. Yeah, that's right, Gardon. And that's how I want it to be. Like you shouldn't be on the top of the leaderboard if you're just sitting there waiting for the gain. I have even thought about removing the gold you gain over time, and then just making it all about the commands. You only gain or lose things about using commands. Wait, streaming fire, what's up? Yeah, I'm streaming these. Welcome in here. So let's make some magic here. I think, are we gonna yeah, as much as possible it's gonna be sent through here. Some things, I think we'll lose some things, or I'll have to figure them out. We can't ditch Angbot yet, I'm afraid. I'll need to make a currency system, and I need to make dragon hunting, and some of the commands I need to build from scratch if we ditch Ankbot. So it's still gonna be running. But we are gonna run the most frequent commands off here instead. So what I'm gonna do here is this is well, yeah, this is the whisper bot. Okay, this is when we want to respond to anything in a whisper. Where do we want to? Am I even sure I want to do it there? I'm not sure. That's the actual response. Did I use my own bot all the time? Or making it yourself now? So far it's been someone else's bot here, Ankbot, made by Ankhard. This is what is running Dwarftopia right now. Now I'm trying to switch over to a simple chatbot here in Java, because the framework here seems to be doing a lot of work for us, which is really nice. So it's gonna be, at least this one's gonna be homemade. I might switch to something else later, or we'll see how good this solution is. This is what we're gonna check for the messages. Oh wait, can I even do this in a switch? I'm not sure. Might have to do it in an if else, because I want to check on what the message starts with to make sure that we see the commands that we want. And that's gonna be, let me see, let me just, I'm lowering the music just a bit there. No, we can't do this. Not as far as I know. What programming languages do I know? Can I write? There's no ping command. No. Only command right now is the one you can see here. The time. It recognizes time. That's just a test command I made here. I know Java. I've done most work in Java. I know some PHP. More JavaScript, C#. That's yeah, that's the main languages. So basically, we want to check here: is it a start command? So when we're gonna implement our commands. Let me see how many commands we got. Put that over here. Go to the top here. Just gonna sort these alphabetically so it makes some more sense to the order of things. Say first one, coin flip. You know, I'm working on it, but we need more games in there. Soon it's getting pretty repetitive. Yeah, we need some of the other commands. I've just down prioritized most of it. Let's take a look over here. What we have in store that should be coming up. There's the roll the dice game. There's a dueling, stealing, brawling. Possibly a bragging, items, begging, I thought about some praying stuff. Maybe it can give you a buff or something. I'm not sure. And there's lots of other stuff we can do too. I've just yeah, decided to wait to add new stuff before, and then focus on fixing what's out there or improving what's out there. Yeah, steal command will be nice. Time, it works. Oh right, it's actually exclamation point time is run by Inkbot. It's not run by this bot, Snipe Kings. You get a whisper if you just type time, because it's right there. Let me see what else we got, cause we gotta be fast, guys. Start. Then there's giving. What else we got? Hugging, hugs. Yeah, those are gonna be running here too. Every command basically. As much as we can is gonna run here. It's a hug. And hugs. What else we got? Quality options. Not sure if that one's gonna be used at all. Yeah, maybe it is. I don't know. People don't know it exists, I think. Sacrificing is there. And the Kappa game. Yes! The Kappa counter. That would be fun, I think. Sacrifice, we got slabbing, we got start. Ah, start is actually gonna be down there. Let's keep them alphabetized. Alphabetically sorted. I think too rich is next. Now we got time. Time is not there anymore. Too rich. Top hours, we need a new command for that. If we're gonna get rid of Inkbot, let's just put it in there. We don't have to do anything right now. And then there's the uptime command. Later on, don't think much about it. Animations, if the dragon hunt starts or something. Oh yeah, yeah. Check it out. It's actually already in here somewhere. See here, there. I already wrote something like that down. Streaming Fire. A dragon hunt alert on the stream when it's ready. Let me just type. Could also be when it starts, finishes. But yeah, basic dragon hunting needs to be implemented as well, because right now it's built into the tank bot, so we gotta build our own dragon hunts, and then we can start customizing it. But I'm thinking a lot about how to connect the chat and the stream even more, so there's gonna be more stuff happening on the stream in the future. But we got so many things on here. That's like, this is the only things that are done in this column, and we still have all of these things to look at. I think I found out how to fix the bug that shows up on the leaderboard. Just found out that today. We're gonna try that. Let me see if I forgot anything. Top hours too rich. Time, no. Start. Slap, sacrifice, quality, hugs. Maybe I need a music link so people can check out what the music is. Yeah, we'll take a look at that. Not right now. Dueling is gonna be there at some point. The cool thing about doing a Twitch bot here in like a simple Twitch bot that doesn't do anything except communicate, recognize commands, ask the server and send a response back to the user, is that we can just add the commands and make them ask or request the PHP script that actually handles what happens to the command, and then it will just send the response back. That means we can change things on the fly without changing anything in the bot. The bot can just run. It won't have to be restarted unless you have to add like a new command. But changing stuff can just be done on the fly because it runs, the actual script runs outside of the bot. Yo, what's up, Pereira? Welcome back. Are you planning on streaming now, Streamify? Because I am, you're not. Oh no! Oh no! Java? Yes, indeed. I'm doing a little experiment here, Pereira, with a very simple Java bot, which is up and running right now, actually. I think it's gonna be an intermediate thing between switching over to, like, for instance, a full-blown Node.js bot. But I was just surprised how easy it was to get a Java bot started with PurgeBot, a framework, which was really cool. So I'm just making it as light as possible. It doesn't do anything. It just talks to the PHP right now. That's what we're gonna make. Commands. Yeah, we need a commands thingy. Dual is gonna be here at some point. Oops. It is already connected to the Whisper, the Twitch Whisper server, so you can get responses from, for instance, this time command, which is up and running now, which I think is really cool, and it can respond so much faster already. Right now there's a half-second send delay instead of the 2 seconds for MacBot, because I'm still going to be running some things on Angbot, like the Dragon Hunt, and I'm afraid those add up with it's fast as hell to answer back. Yes, it is, man. I tried turning it down before I started today to, like, how fast can this get? Right now it's 50 or half a second, like 500 milliseconds send delay. I tried switching it down to the absolute maximum, which is a bit above 300. And damn, man. And the queue, it's got a built-in command queue. So with under 100 lines of Java code, we had a bot that could respond to whispers with a built-in command queue, and it could respond super fast. Which is really nice. Is it easy to make a bot? If you know Java here, it's definitely easy with this framework, PurgeBot here. Definitely easy. All I had to, I already had the account that I was going to use, but you can use any account. But basically, you just need your token, decide which channel you want to connect to, and define what's going to happen when people send messages. So there's, like, you just overwrite on message, and then you do whatever you want with that message. So if right now, if a message comes in and it only says time, I just send a message back, and then I made a whisper bot too, so I can whisper it back instead. But that was also just getting hold of the right IP address, your token, and connecting to the right channel. So it was pretty damn cool. Actually, I'm building this in the wrong class, aren't I? Yeah, this is basically assuming that... Ah, wait. Yeah, we're gonna recognize all the commands over here, actually. That's my bad. It's not supposed to be in the whisper bot. because the whisper bot doesn't. We don't receive whispers right now. We just send them. So over here, guys, over here. And we were just gonna add commands. Why start there? Oh, that's because that's the one I copied. OOP. Object oriented, huh? So you're gonna store the gold in the database now? Not yet, Streaming Fire. What's up, Binary? Good to have you back here. No, I want to switch, yes, but right now I don't have a currency system that I can just run in like on the MySQL database. So during this transition here, where I will be running AnkBot besides this, I'll be using AnkBot's currency system, and then we're just gonna integrate into that. And then once we're ready to ditch AnkBot completely, we'll switch over to our own system. But that system needs to be ready first. Commands. Was there anything else I wanted to add? And then commands. That's pretty much it. Yep, that's all our commands. I think so, yeah. So I'm building my own bot. That would be a lot easier if you're doing custom PHP scripts. Yeah. Yes. I'm giving it a go with my own bot in Java right now, Binary, and it's gonna integrate into the PHP scripts. I might completely move away from PHP, but at least not right now. But it's gonna be as simple as possible, so the bot doesn't do anything. It just integrates into the PHP. And then it's just used for, yeah, talking in the chat, whispering, answering people. Let's see, so we recognized individual commands here. You're a Java beast, aren't you? Well, it's what I've written most code in. Yeah, it is. But we'll see how this goes. Right now, I'm recognizing the individual commands from the chat, and then we want like a function that calls the corresponding scripts. I'm not sure if we should do it like this actually. Some of these needs to be whispered back, and some of them don't need that. So we want to get this over to the whisper bot, and the whisper bot's over here. Doesn't need the time thingy. Maybe I don't know. The on message here actually doesn't do anything. No, it actually doesn't do anything at all. We don't receive anything in there. We have a whisper function which I made to just make it easier to send a whisper to someone with a response. I might make a function for each of these, or a function that could just distinguish based on the text. Just help the guy to make an antivirus scanner. Ooh, nice. What were you making that scanner in then, Binary? Oh yeah, StreamFire has the exact same thing. Cool. Hey, what's up, Joe? Welcome back. Are we gonna... The only difference of most of these is going to be the URL of the PHP scripts. That's it basically. I could decide right in here actually, because then it's like sorta nested together. Commands, coin flip commands, give, hug, hugs, sacrifice, start, too rich, top ones. What we could do is we could make like a get response thing here. And then we just need to know what command it is. We need to know who the sender was and the message. Yeah, the message is needed too. So this is actually going to be not get response, it's probably going to be send response. And then give it the sender, give it the message, and the command. Does this make sense? We'll do this for every one of these. Could just put the coin flip or the message in there and then check over here. The thing is, not all of these are going to be whispered though. Top hours, uptime, slab, hugs. Those things are not going to be whispered. That's kind of why I'm thinking of doing it like this. We can always refactor and make it different. So that's the thing here. Then we got the string needed to communicate with the PHP. So how you doing there, Joe? Good to have you back here. Did you try the latest version on Dwarftopia, buddy? Published it yesterday. Hey, D-Referencer, welcome in here. Welcome back. Giving, it's gonna be whisper, not whisper, not whisper. Whisper. Could also have like a function that determines if it's a whisper or not. Maybe we should have that instead. I think I'll recognize commands in one place, because otherwise we're gonna have some commands just being sent off in here and recognized in here, and other commands are gonna be recognized over here. It might be a mess. Can't use a switch case dereferencer because I want to check on the start of the string, not the entire string. I don't know a way to do that. If you do know a way to use a switch and only check the start of the string, let me know. Only bad thing about Java is instability and RAM eating. Yeah, we'll try to work our way around that to make sure there's not weird exceptions everywhere, and since we're gonna keep it as small as possible, hopefully we won't run into RAM issues. But yeah, let me know how it would work if we're gonna compare to the start of a string in a switch, because I don't see how that's done, how that would be done. Not played it yet. Been running errands all day. Alright, Joe. Alright. Errands needs to be done. Minecraft? Yes, that was one of my most memory hungry games for a long time, man. It was insane how much memory that one could eat. But it was an near infinite game world, even on 16 gigabytes. Wow. So even if I just send over whatever the message is and then check over here, we're gonna end up checking what the message starts with. Even if, like, no matter if we do it over here or if we do it over here. There's not really, is there a way around that? There would be a way around it if all commands are PHP scripts. Then we can just send it off, and if it doesn't work, then there's no such command. Oh, launch parameters, huh? Okay. I don't know if that would be a clever way of doing it, if we just say everything is a PHP script, because everything doesn't have to be a PHP script. Slapping doesn't need to be. Hugs, those don't need to be a PHP script. I'm not sure what would be the best approach here. The simplest code might be. I don't think there's a nice way we can avoid checking what the command starts with. I think that one has to be done, I think. Oops, that's not what I wanted to look at. Could make a function for these just in here that sends over whatever is needed, and then we're just going to use the send response for all that needs to be whispered back to the user. Send response is just going to connect to this particular PHP file with this name, send over the sender and the message. PHP is going to respond back with the response and deal with whatever needs to be done. And we're going to whisper the user that. Hey Duck of Doom, welcome back. Thanks for tuning in. Maybe I could have like wait. Let's try something here. Down. We could have two different lists. Command that need whisper responses, command that doesn't need a whisper response, and then we just check which of them it contains. Like we get the first part of the string up to the first space, then we check if it's in either of the lists, and the one that it's in, we just send her up to that function. Then we don't need all this mumbo jumbo. Let's try that instead. Then I need to define the list, of course. That's not too bad. I'm sure if it should be an array or just an array list. Because the array list have contains. Do I even need to put in anything there? Let's put in a string. Commands and whisper commands. What are you doing? No suggestions, huh? No, that's not what we're gonna do. We're gonna go with a string array. Can I do? Let me see here. We are gonna have chat. We're gonna have chat commands and whisper commands. Chat commands just gonna. How do we defining arrays again? Like that, and then just colons, and then boom. Is that how we do it? I think that is how we do it. We got hug. We got hugs. We got slap. Question: you currently use IntelliJ for Java. Is there any advantage using Eclipse over IntelliJ or NetBeans? I don't think so. I think most of it is depends on what you're familiar with or what preferences you have. I've heard more people like on my studies. I've heard more people recommend IntelliJ over Eclipse. I don't know about NetBeans, never tried it. You're working in Eclipse too, Gamekey? Oh hey there, Gamekey, welcome back. Slapping top hours. We also have uptime, not gonna be whispered. There's our chat commands. It's just unhappy because I don't use it, right? Yeah. I think this could be cleaner, guys, having an array of the things that we want to whisper and stuff. See, we got coin flip. We got commands. Giving. Sacrificing. Up timing. Nope. Nope. Starting. Yes, please. We got too rich. And one more time, one more thing, right? No, that was basically it. Oh hey there, J Dot. Welcome to the stream. Arrays are the actual only thing that makes sense in programming. The rest is dark magic. Yeah, it's. I almost always use arrays or array lists. Hey there, dude. I missed your follow, man. Thank you very much. Swing GUI layouts are some deep level magic. Ah, Swing GUI, yeah. I've had my struggles with that. Pochalaka, thank you for the follow, buddy. Welcome in here. Let's see here. Now we got our lists or arrays of different commands we have. Then we can do something more clever in here. Because then we can first get the initial part of the message. I think how are we gonna string the limit? Let me see what we can do. I just want to split it up and get the first part up to the first space. Index of. Yeah, we could possibly use index of, but I think there's a better one. Yeah, split. Split string around the matching expression. I think I can limit it. Controls the number of times the pattern is applied. Yeah. We can just split it up on space. I don't care about limits. Splitting it turns the string array here, where you just want the first part of the message. Everything up to the space is going to be the command. Because sometimes use linked lists. Not much. If you guys think that stuff's hard, feel sorry for you if you work on bigger projects. Yeah, the bigger it gets, the complexity can be hard to manage. I imagine. I haven't worked on huge projects myself. Yeah, that's true, Joe. That's true. Understanding paradigms and algorithms is a big part of it. Let's see if this isn't. This is the first part, so it should contain our commands. What we're gonna do here is now we can just split up two here. If chat commands, as I was told you could do, I just looked it up and you can do funky stuff here, which I think is going to be nice. Arrays is list. Bam. I want the chat commands as a list. Then we can do contains. Hold on. Then we can do contains. If it contains command in there, then it's a chat command. Alright. I think this is it's the most clever I can come up with right now. Alright, we don't need all this mumbo jumbo. Bam. I could have used a bit of it, at least this one here. There we go. Fetch the commands, splitting up by space, getting the first one. What happens if you do this and the user only sends a space? Then it might be empty. I don't think anything's gonna break. Let's check this one out here. Returns the array of strings. Split around that one. Throws. The syntax is invalid. I think that's just gonna give you an empty array or something if it doesn't happen. Or an array with an empty string. We'll have to figure that out. But now we can do it like this. We can check if it's a chat command or a whisper command. Down here, we want to do the whisper bot here, send response. With that command. Maybe I should check for the start here. I actually want to allow both dots and whatever you want to put in front. Dots or exclamation points. I thought about allowing both. We can actually do that with this bot, I guess, pretty easily. because we can just make the bot ignore everything that doesn't start with exclamation point or dot. That's gonna be pretty neat. And then we still split up the message there, but in here we just say that if message here starts, yeah, let's do that. We can only communicate with the bot if you start your command with an exclamation point or a dot. So if it doesn't start with, we're gonna do and here. No, we're gonna do, yeah, we're gonna do and, right? If it's not exclamation point and it's not dot, then it's not a command. Hey Diamond Dude, welcome in here. You like the game? Nice. Your goals not show up, but your goals don't show up if up right now. What do you mean, Diamond Dude? Your gold doesn't, are having problems with the gold command? Did you remember to use the start command, Diamond Dude? Because the gold command only works after you've done the start command, because initially you have no gold, so it doesn't work right now. And thank you for the follow, Diamond Dude. What's that guy then? Owned by Z++. What am I doing? I'm working on a new chat bot for the game Dwarftopia that we are running on Twitch right now. And it's gonna be nice. It's gonna allow us to respond to messages a lot faster, and it's also gonna have a message queue, which means it won't ignore any messages. They will get a response eventually if you put in the right command. Sacrificing coin flip is good, but when you do gold, you don't get a whisper. But you do get a whisper with sacrificing coin flip. Like gold should. It's using the same functionality. Gold whispers you as well if you do it. Like if you have it whispers enabled on the device you're playing, then you should get it. Yeah, there it is. It might just be that the bot can't keep up, Diamond Dude, because if it can't keep up, you just don't get a response right now. Ignore the message if it doesn't start with exclamation point or dot. That's it, guys. We just check. Just to start with exclamation point, or we just check it. If it doesn't start with exclamation point and it doesn't start with dot, then it's not a command. Move along. Now that we know it starts with the right things, we can check. We can split it up. And what we're gonna do here is we're gonna remove all of these, because I'm not a big fan of exclamation point. It's just the default thing, I guess, for Twitch. For most commands, there's gonna be exclamation point in front of it. I guess it's because it's different from a dot. But I think a dotting should a dot would be a lot easier. You do get whispers with sacrifice and coin flip? Oh, okay. I don't understand, Diamond Dude. it is working for me, and it should work for you as well. GUI in C++. Might as well give up now. I almost haven't touched C++. Not sure what it requires to write GUIs in there. So we're gonna split the message up, but we're also gonna remove the first part of the message. Then we can allow dots. That's another thing I wanted to do. So this gives us a string here. Can I do something here? A substring. Yeah, we could do a substring on it. And just remove the first part of it with substring 1. Boom. Such magic. Oh no, I couldn't handle those changes. Yeah, terminate. Look at that one-liner, guys. Such magic. Let's write a comment for what this does. The first part get the command part of the message until the first space. Remove initial exclamation point or dot. That's what we're doing. Compare it over here. And it's just going to be the command word. And now we can do switching instead of if-else ifing. There. Oops. Create a send response message down here. Remove the time command. Oh, the font size is terrible. I thought I could scroll in Eclipse. Scroll zooming. Damn, I think I'll have to switch over to one big window then. For font sizes. No, I can't scroll zoom. Hold on, guys. Is that preferences? Quick access. Zoom. No! Why not? I thought the font was nice, Joe. Yeah, but I'll just increase it, make sure people can actually read it. I don't know if it's in preferences. Font. Basic. Git Java. Oh, do I have to change the actual font? I can't just zoom it up. Java editor text font. Korean here. Preview. Well, it's bigger now. I hoped to just have a zoom thing, but nope. Well, at least now it's bigger. I don't know. Let me know if it makes sense or if it's easier to see now. It should be. So much better. Oh, cool, Vera. Cool. Yep, you do get a whisper with... No, I already saw that one. Oh, I can do Control Plus? Oh, no. No, can't do. Now I can see my arrows faster. Yeah, you can do that. The cool thing about this is that now we can Now we can go in here and switch on the commands and get away from all the if sentences. Which is gonna be nice. This is the regular command, so that's hug, hugs, slap, top hours. So we got hug. Something wrong? I think I'm gonna go with double quotes as much as I can in Java. Insert that one. That we're good. Hug, hugs. Top hours. And uptime. That was it, right? Ah, slap. I forgot slap. It's gonna be here. Well. Boss laws tuning in just to say you're anonymous and you're gonna attack my computer. Well, did you hear that, guys? We're gonna get wrecked by boss laws soon. Soon! The attack is imminent. Let's make the simple ones work. That's these here. Bam, 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 bam. Let me get a hold of my hugs. Where's my hugs? There's the hug text. Ah, it's actually it's doing the random thing. I don't know if I should put in a function for each of these. Something like a handle hug, for instance. Give them a separate function. What are we gonna do in hug, for instance? We're gonna split the string up and get the target, and then we're gonna construct a string based on that. Yeah, we are. This one's really easy. Oh, what did I do? Oh, full screen thing. What was the command for that? What? How do I go back? Everything's gone. Nope. No idea what shortcut I just hit. I think I changed the perspective. Java browsing. No, that's it. Ah, that's hideous. Show view. Java. There. There, just open it up again. Okay, here we go. Oh, how do I send messages again? Hold on, I have it. Right here. Ah, right, that's just the channel. Ah, sender. We actually need one more thing here. We need the channel too. Because some of them are targeted, some of them are not. Now everything breaks. Ah, that's because we don't need the channel over here. We need it up here. There. I'm gonna send a message to the channel here. Let me add the hugs. That one's really easy to add. Send a message here. The message is just gonna be sender. Hugs everyone in the chat. Aw. Boom. Break it up. This one's gonna be too long. No. Let's make them all like this. It's gonna be better. F11, F12. Oh, okay, J dot. That's weird, cause I wasn't hitting anything like that. I was hitting something on the left side of my keyboard around Shift and Control. Send a message channel with sender hugs everyone in the chat. Boom. First commands. Let me see here. Let me disable it over here. F11 is launching the program. There we go. It's connected. That means I can do dot hugs. Oh no, unrecognized command. No, I can't. Oh, right. Twitch is using the dot. What should I call that? The dot notation. I had no idea. So that means you can do like dot me instead of slash me, or you can do dot mod. Dot mods. Oh, okay, guys, we can't do this. We can't use dots because Twitch is using the dots, right? I had no idea. You can do like dot timeout instead of slash timeout. You can do dot slow mode. See dot slow mode too. Ah, that's because it's dot slow too. You see that? Oh, I had no idea. Slow off. Well, yeah, that just makes it simpler for us, I guess. No dots in front of commands. So that's why no one's using it. Okay. It's just me being ignorant. If it doesn't start with exclamation points, then we don't care. I'm still gonna remove it. Yeah, I'm still gonna remove the exclamation point. There we go. Hugs. Can I just launch this? Like, I could save without crashing. That's so cool if I can just do hugs now. Oh, wait. My bad. Hugs. Aww. Aww, guys. Look at that speed! So fast. And no message skipping at all. The only thing I don't like is that it there's no capitalization on. So fast, yeah, indeed. It's so fast. It removes your capitalization on IRC. It doesn't care, apparently, which is a shame. I think if you want that, you gotta hook up to the Twitch thingy and then get it. So right now the limit is 1 message per half second. Is Dwarftopia broken? No, it's not, Dory. It's not. People have 2 million. That's right. That's because I changed. I buffed the commands yesterday because coin flip was on average. Coin flip gave you 0 gain. On average, Dragon Hunt gave you 0 gain. And then Sacrifice had some gain, but not much. Basically, people were losing money over time. It was better just using the gold command in the chat and wait. So I thought the game shouldn't be about like maintaining your gold level. It should be, of course, getting more gold. So I wanted to make the commands have a positive average gain. I went a bit too high though, because right now it's 25% average game gain. That's lower than Sacrifice had before, but it's on every command now, all 3 of them. So I see people have, what Titus have been really lucky, up to 2.6 million now. So it's not as bad as when people had billions, but I will adjust it down so the average gain isn't as high as it is right now, don't worry. But it's not a bug, it's my own fault, it's my own update. Taking the music. Nice, very, yeah, it's all in there. Almost 600 different pieces of music on Dwarftopia. I think it's a nice addition. Wait, no, yeah, I gotta split up the message first. I think whenever it involves that, I'm gonna give it a function. And when it's not just a message being sent, I think I'll give it a function to not totally blow up send response. I'll take a short break, guys, and be right back. Won't take long. Hey, Sleeping Bag, what's Dwarftopia going to be about? It's gonna be about dwarves gathering gold, as much of it as you can. It's gonna, hopefully it's gonna evolve into a small Twitch chat RPG game, because I want to put RPG elements in there. But right now it's mostly gambling and luck based. Oh yeah, there's the link, Pereira. I don't know why the other command is broken. Maybe because I'm running the test bot. Oh yeah, it doesn't exist in the test bot. That's why. But I'll be right back, guys. Da da da. Da da da. Here we go, guys. Hey, G Ninja. Welcome back to the stream. The game is doing good. Game is doing good. People are gaining gold now. That's a good thing. And I think gaining a bit too much, though. A bit too much. But no one has managed to completely blow up the leaderboard yet. It's always gone down as well as up for people, so that's good. Hey Titus, you're doing good on Dwarftopia, I see. You've been on the top for a long time. Handle hug. Let's do it like this. I think I need a default thing down here. I do. It's gonna be, let's log this. Log this here. Unknown. Command. Command. Do. Oh, how can you play it? Yeah, you can play it over on the link that Streaming Fire just posted. G Ninja, go check it out. I need the Hall of Fame fast. Yeah, but first we need a new bot, Tinus. That's like #1 priority right now. Making sure we have a functional bot. Let's make a target here. Just gonna grab that from the message. Gonna split it up based on spaces. Target should be there. Otherwise you made a mistake, but there should be a target there. We're gonna have to put some safety on here though. We're gonna have to put safety on there. Because this might break, might not be there, and we're doing something no. States return to string array. Message array. There we go. Cooldowns. I think I can make a really simple cooldown system built within this bot. So we don't even have to mess with PHP or anything. It just remembers. It's for every command we need in the bot. We need to store the a timestamp every time a user uses a command, and then every time we see that user again, we just check in our timestamp list. Is this user off cooldown? If not, then we can message the user from within here. So we don't need a PHP script checking a database. I think we can make it in a simpler way within here to get a new global cooldown system. Hey Cassia, welcome back. Been having a better day than you. Just had 2 hours of intense training at kickboxing. Body's gonna hurt tomorrow. Ouch. Yeah, my day's been really good so far. Thanks for asking, Cassia. 2 hours of kickboxing. That's impressive. Yeah, it's a brand new one, Titus. It is actually running in the chat right now. It just doesn't have any commands except hugging. Hugs. The hugs command exists. Split up the array here. Then we gotta check on message. Array dot size dot length. If length is, there should be 2 elements in there. So if length is less than 2, user used commands incorrectly. If not, then we're good to go. Let's send the messages. Yeah, there it is, SpiritBoar, there it is. I guess the worst part about training, Cassie, is that you know that it's not necessarily right now that your body's exhausted and hurting a lot. You just know that this is really gonna hurt tomorrow, and then you get to tomorrow and yes, there it is, it hurts like hell. Sometimes it's even on not the day after, but the next day after, like 2 days after training can be bad as well. At least for me, if I'm not really used to training, then it can be bad a lot on the second day too. Already loving the game? Oh cool, G Ninja. I'm glad. I have lots of ideas for things that we can add to the game and make better. This one is gonna be a great improvement, this spot here. Send out to the channel. No, actually, I would like to send a whisper. If you use this incorrectly, right? Because we can do that now. We can just go to the whisper bot here and send a message from there. Ooh. Oh wow. Send a message. Wait, I can actually do something even more clever, because I have a whisper function. It's even more clever than send message. Yes, terminated. Kill the bot. There we go. Whisper. Now we can do this instead. It's gonna be nice. It's a shorthand version. Allows me to just pinpoint who should get the whisper and what the message should be right here. I can go here, say usage of the hug command is hug, and your target hug. No, this should just be say user, hug user. There we go. Whisper that back. Oh man, I'm liking this already. Hey, what's up, Sadie? Message queue is actually built in Sadie. It's super awesome, this this framework actually that I found, PerchBot for Java. It suits me nicely because I know Java pretty well, and the framework here makes it really simple to get started. I needed less than 100 lines of code to have a working Twitch bot with message queues and everything. The Overlord doesn't like you. He lost every sacrifice last week. Well, he's more generous now, Streaming Fire. So down here we have the correct usage. That means we can just send the message from here to the channel with the message. No, we need the target. Let's target user. Let's do this, because then we actually know what we're fetching out from this string here. No. Oh, you've noticed. Good, good. Your Dwarftopia client is growing bigger and bigger. You hope that you don't ban it someday. We'll see. We'll see. What are you at, Sadie? 16k right now. Not bad. I noticed that you must have done some random bet amounts, right? It seems like, I don't know if it was just you manually playing or the bot, but it seems like it uses like an interval of numbers, so it picks randomly between an interval and then gambles that. Is that correct? How come you can't coin flip more than 100 when you have 244? You can coin flip, you can go all in, Ninja, but sometimes the bot can't keep up, so a message will sometimes not get a response right now. That's why we're building this new bot here. The bot is off right now. Percentage amount you can set in them. Oh, okay. Have I heard Hurricane Patricia ripped Mexico? What? A hurricane destroyed Mexico? I have not heard about that. Tell me, Pereira. Or is there more to tell in that tale? That sounds horrible, man. The only thing I heard about Mexico today was that someone discovered like a huge drug smuggling line from Mexico to, I think, the United States. That's what I heard about Mexico today. Not that they were hit by a major hurricane. Ooh, it's getting more and more advanced, huh, Sadie? Oh, it's coming in a couple of hours. Right, okay. Maybe it wipes out the smuggling lines. The biggest hurricane ever? Whoa, okay. Now I'm pretty happy that hurricanes is not a thing in Denmark. Damn. What are we gonna set here? I forgot what the message was for hug. It's just user hugs target, right? Yeah. It's just sender hugs. Then we need the random value. Actually, we can do that, yeah. Let's do that. Up to 1 to 120, that's cool. And let's make a int R here. The gaming lime. Welcome to the stream. Thank you for the follow, buddy. How's the random in Java? There we go. No? Ah, it's probably because I don't have the util class. I do have it. It's right there. It's because I need a random, right? Like that. No. Random dot. Nope. New random. And wait, there's a math library for random. Can't I get like an interval though? Not with this one apparently. There's also random. That's what we want. Random. Random. Yeah, you construct the random, then use that. Ah. Ooh, there's an integer here, ints. Is there examples of how to use the random thing? I think I have to create a random actually. And then go up here, for instance. There we go. Get down to the bottom. So this is gonna be duration of the immense hug. What did I call it? I called it R. Ints. Are those inclusive? I think we're gonna use ints here. Next integer. Maybe this one is better actually. The bound is, I think, the top just between that and the specified value. Exclusive, right. 121. Hugs. No, wait, actually I want it from 0 to that. Winds of 380 kilometers per hour. RIP Mexico. That's some serious stuff, man. Wow. Hey plebs. What's up, Turim? What's that emote? Cop cap? Robot Kappa thingy? Yeah, Robot Kappa indeed. Oh wait, I forgot something, guys. Damn. I was so focused on getting started today, I forgot to launch my own bot. I only got the test bot running right now. No. No. It isn't counting hours. Ah, here it is. Here it is, guys. Yes, it works. Windows? Yes. Isn't it magnificent? Let's see if I can get an interval instead. Bam. Bam. I think you want to do like that. Integers. How do you use this? Nah, screw that. You can't have a 0-second hug, right? That doesn't work. So let's do that. User hugs. Target user hugs is over here. What? Nope. For duration. Such love, Kappa pride. There, hug is done. Just joking, yo. Yeah. I know. I know, man. Let's give it a spin. Boom. Pereira was faster than me. Wait, double? Such spam. Indeed. There's triple hugs in the chat. Oh no. Where's the triple hugs in the chat? Ah, that's because it's enabled everywhere. Sorry guys. Freaking loco. Thank you for the follow, buddy. Welcome in here. I forgot to disable it. I have 3 bots running right now. we should totally have a bot battle, guys. That would be amazing. A bot showdown. Then pit them up against each other and fight to the death. Only one bot comes out alive. The hug commands are everywhere right now. Turim hugs himself. Oh, self hugs. Why not have a random message every time? Hey there, Dr. Mumba. A random message every time? Like this part, or? Yeah, I don't want to focus on it too much because these are just like the smaller things. I want to make sure we get as far as possible. But yeah, we could do something like that. Hug his cat. Not sure if we should allow spaces in there. Hugs his cat. We could do that. Triple hugs hype. We could allow spaces in there, guys. Let me just disable hugging over here too. There, only one hug now. I didn't think of that. We can actually. So what happens if I do this? If I just say I only want you to do that once. Limit controls the number of times the pattern is applied, the length of the sorting array. I think if I... So this means I only do it once. I only split up for one space. Right, so with this small change you can hug your cat. You can hug your cat now forever. It's saved. Should be able to hug your cat and everything else that has multiple spaces in it. Oh, I might have to restart. Or what happened here? Ah, it's because I'm checking on length here. Sorry. Sorry. My bad. What are we doing here? Length should be 2 though. Why isn't the length 2? I thought it was enough just to do that split. Oh, it's not enough. I think that breaks stuff. Can't do that. Apply it once. It should give me an array with two strings in it. That's weird. At least that's how I think it works. It's Java hot swapping of code is just awesome because it's a virtual machine it's running in. You don't have to restart all the time. Index out of bounds. Boom. Explosions everywhere. Weird. What if I put 2 there? That's cool. How does it work then? Oh, I get 1. It's applied from the end, or that is weird. It works, but why? Look at the output in the chat. Hug Mexico is... No, wait, that's because Hug is the first one and that's the rest. Oh, so it just had to be 2 there. And that was it. Hope everyone in this chat plus your mother. Hey Fox, just kidding to say hi because it's been really long. Yeah, welcome back, I'm a Fox. Thanks for stopping by. Well, I guess this was all that we had to do then. Nice. Miscalculations. Oh, maybe this means how many, like, this is the array size you're going for. 2 means you are just going for 1. 1 split. This is the size you end up with, I think. If there's enough in there. Get out, my mom! Oh, it's so much better now when you can hug, like, a lot, and not just it's one person. It's so much better now. Twice. Double slap. What else have we got? We got slapping. Top hours will require some. That needs a PHP scripts. So does uptime. I'm not even sure how. Uptime, I think I'm gonna switch over to the Nightbot uptime scripts and use that instead. Let's make slabbing. Slabbing works like hugging. It's basically the same thing. Which is nice. Let's go in here. I love that I can do what I just did here, and Eclipse knows that I want to include break within those brackets and not put it behind them. Stuff that just won't happen, for instance, in Sublime, because it's not bound to a particular language or anything. So it's a lot more flexible, but some things aren't as automatic as it is in Eclipse, for instance. Put that down below. Keep the order all neat. Oops. And the hug. We're gonna do. I don't know if we can refactor that in a way. They're close to each other, but then again different. You can fail the usage of slap. It is possible to fail it. Hey, Breaking Loco, good to see you in the chat. How many languages do I know? Mainly Java, JavaScripts, C#, PHP. Yeah, streaming file already there in the chat. Already there. Nice. There's not a slap duration. Sender. So we're just gonna have to, for now, deal with the fact that names are gonna be in all lower caps. I need. That's because. I think that's because we're using IRC as the backend service for the chat. It just kills capitalization, I guess. I know you can get around it in some way because the chat client Chatty found a way, but I think they query the Twitch name library or something to get the correct capitalization. We're not gonna worry too much about that. Here's just slaps target. Across the face. Oops. Why is it all the way in there? Ah, that's cool. It's all cool. That's basically slapping. It's just the messages are different. So I think we could figure out a way to simplify it. Like the usage string is different, and the response is different, and there's duration there. But otherwise, they're pretty much the same. No! New function can't handle that. Restart. Hey, Mr. Cheer Hype, welcome back. How you been doing? Let's avoid triple slaps. If it's even here. Ah, it is there. There. Doing good? Oh, nice. Sounds good, Cheer Hype. Sounds good. We've been doing good. I've been doing good too here on the channel. Working on Dwarftopia a lot. Nice. Slapping is done too. Top hours. What are we gonna do with top hours? Let it know that it's there but not ready yet. Yeah. Let's do that. Blah. Top hours isn't ready yet. Uptime is a gonna be a URL fetch. Hey there, Connor X. Didn't know there was a game development section on Twitch. That's awesome. Yes, it is. It's a pretty awesome section on Twitch. It's nice that they did that. I think that's about a year ago that they added the game development section, actually. It hasn't got too much attention though. So, like yourself, Conrex, I think there's still a lot of people that doesn't know about it. Doesn't know that it's there. See, those aren't as important, really. So let's put another message in here too. Oops. Uptime isn't ready yet. There we go. So, the chatbot is growing, and it actually feels good being back with some Java code, actually. Why do I not do Agario anymore? You check every day. I'm sorry, Strafs. Strafs PvP. Sorry to disappoint you, but we've been really busy working on our own game that we are running right now on Twitch. And it's just been too exciting for me, I think. Working on it, improving it, to do much else than working on it. I'm planning doing a gaming stream on Sunday. Wait, that's tomorrow? Tomorrow? But there'll be some Agario and some other games as well, because it's been a while since we've done gaming. So I'm not abandoning the gaming part, guys. I've just been really focused on getting as far as I could with my own game here. But you should tune in tomorrow if you can, Straps, for some Igario. I'd like to do gaming at least once a week, even if we work on Dwarftopia here. So I think we covered, yeah, the chat commands and the whisper commands. Right, let's get to those. We send them over here to the send response over on the whisper bot, because you need to be connected to the Twitch group chat to work with whispers right now. So let's head over to the whisper bot. Send responses here. We're gonna do some switching over here too. Are we? No, we're not. We're not gonna do switching over here. This is the command. And all of these are gonna connect to a PHP script of ours. Where did I found some code that shows how it's done. There we go. Got it right here. Hey there, bald white guy. Welcome in here. Thank you for the follow. How do you log out of Twitch? You want to go on your main? Bottom left corner should be a log out button for Twitch. Or wait, no. It's actually top left corner. This little thingy right here is what you need to hit to log out. Top left instead is where we are at. You want to post a link, Sadie? Yeah. I hope this doesn't. Hope this works though, because we got multiple bots running right now. Double permission. Hype. Actually, let me just disconnect the gambling bot. I forgot that. It is pretty cool though that you can connect with I think as many bots as you want to the same chat room. Like there's the same bot. Like we got double Dwarven overloads in here. So there's 2 different bots communicating through the same account, and it works. I think it's really cool that you can do that. It's gonna be useful if we want to run multiple. No, not relevant. But it's gonna be useful in our case because we do want to run Eggbot and our own Java bot here, at least initially, at the same time. Disconnecting that one. Music, I think, ran out because it's not on repeat. Yeah, that's it. Let me see. I want some. Where's hold on. No, what happened to my music? Rip. What did I do? Where did DJ Cutman go? What? Local files? Unknown. Ah, there's tons of. Hold on, what happened to my music? Like, some of it disappeared. That's not good. It's still right, it's right there. Curious. Have to go for sex, see you later. Okay, Streaming Fire. Good to have you here. Just made it. Okay, cool. Glad there you are, on your main. What did you do, Spotify? Can I drag and drop files to add them? No. Where did all that music go? That's so weird. It's right here. It's out of my playlist for some reason. Okay. Can't quite explain that, guys. No, that doesn't work. It's like this music just disappeared from Spotify. Well, alright. Just gonna roll with it. You're starting Dwarftopia on a new account? Oh, cool, Bashin. Alright, you're welcome to check it out and let me know what you think about it. Basically what we want to do here is just query up the script that we want and then publish the response we get back. Hey Glashin, thank you for following over here on this account too. Say artist, the dedication is alright, I forgot to check the link. Forgot to check your link, Sadie. There it is. Ah, so there's a percentage of dragon hunting, sacrificing, coin flipping, AFK time, how much gold you made, how many hours gold running, crafts, share gold? What does the share gold do? Is it sharing automatically with someone? Nice. Yeah, I agree that dedication is real. Yeah, he made that bot, Pereira. Basically for playing, making playing the game easier. See, we gotta change our scripts, and I think I will. I don't know. I will copy this, and then we need to change pretty much all of these, or most of them, all of those that relates to commands. I don't know if I should just call it something. It's gonna replace the old one, but let's call it that for now. It's running up there too. On the bot here, we want a. It's gonna be a private string called. It's the script folder URL. That's our URL. That needs to sacrifice tester, and it is the new PHP. That is our server. Then we want to set up a new URL, open the connection, read the input and construct a string with it. Basically, we want to do this from the documentation. It shares gold when someone have double gold than you, and both are sharing goals. And more gold gives the lower one 5%. Oh, so it's auto teaming up. Interesting. On Dwarftopia, make the start thing go away. You start, it's annoying. There's not really any way for me to make it go away, Latchin, because that's just how it is. You know, it's everyone will see it, because new people are as like everyone sees the same screen. So if I make it go away, someone will not notice. People will come in and not know how to start. I might, with the new bot, be able to work out a way, or I can work out the way that you just, the moment you enter the chat, you get 10 gold and you're ready to go. So we don't need a start command. So I think I'll work towards that connection, that we simply don't need the start commands. Because this spot here has some like I can hook up to on join events, so when people join the chat, I can just whisper them, welcome, and here's your goals, here's how to get started, all that stuff. So we want to do this for every command. We're going to open a connection to the script file and read in the response. String response. We're gonna make like a request, or yeah, request response from script. Give it the sender, the message, and the command. I think that's what we're gonna do instead of having it in here, or could just have it in here, because we're gonna do that every time. It's gonna make this one longer though, just because we're sending off the same parameters again, just shipping it off again to someone else. Let's put it in here first, and then we'll see. I need packages. I need to basically need .NET. .NET. Restart. Can I just do that every time? Errors exists. Cancel. I did. That's because I need to do like star everything in .NET. Hey Fearless. Fearless, welcome in here. You can't sacrifice over here, but you can sacrifice over on the Dwarftopia channel, buddy. Open up a new connection to a URL here. That's gonna be URL to the basically command script. New URL with our script folder URL plus we need parameters too. Need some parameters. We can just construct that right here and then escape stuff on PHP. Yeah. Yeah. Let's do that. Let's make let's make this bot here as dumb as possible, to not rely on it too much. That means we're gonna give it the folder URL and the command .php. And there's always going to be the same ones on our new PHP scripts. Are always going to have the sender, there, sender, and the. Do we have to send the command? No, we know which command we are. we know. It's just going to be this message. That's the only thing we can really give them. I have to URL encode the message though to not break stuff. Let's just write message here. Gotta fix that though. What's wrong with the reader? That's because I need I/O. There. Be happy now. Love me now, please. Ah, exceptions. Sender is always going to be good. That's not going to be a problem. The command's going to be good because we know they're going to be well formed, because we only recognize our own commands. So that's good. We just need to URL encode. Let me see, Java URL encoding. Bam, bam. Ah, there's a URL encoder. Nice. URL encoder.encode the message. Now, what happened here? Why is it like that, guys? Is it deprecated? Try catch it. I think it is deprecated. Then what? Ah, wait. That's that. Oh, we gotta use this one now. Okay. What's the things here? The string and the encoding. The name of the support character encoding. Like UDF-8 or something. Can we just do like that and be done with it? Oh. Alright. I think we nailed it. Let me see here. String encoding. Is there an example of how the encoding should look? There is not. There is not, guys. Let me just look it up here. States that UDF-8 should be used. Not doing so, introduce incompatibilities. Okay, that's what we're gonna do. But am I just gonna type it in, or? The only thing I feel, for instance, Java documentations are missing is sometimes examples. I like examples, so you just can see how a use case would be. I'm guessing I'm just supposed to type this and then we're golden. Yeah. There we go. Opening up that URL, malform URL, unsupport encoding. Then we're gonna open the connection. That's probably gonna cause things too. Put that in there. What am I doing here? Ah, that's assistance is trying to help me. Stop that. The commands.php with the sender, the message. URL and encode it. Alright, we should be good here. Open the connection. Let's go back to my suggestion here. Then we gotta do the reader here on our Get the input stream of our connection. Con can't be resolved, right. Maybe I should just do everything within try catch. Because I think this can be broken too. Yeah, even if I... Yeah, let me see. Pretty sure this can gives us errors too. IO exceptions. Here we go. Get it in there. Ah, wait, we can do... Not that. The audio indent thing. What's it called? Corrected. Control I. There. Delicious. Everything's broken now. That's not delicious. Not at all. Where did I... Ah, here we go. There's the connection. When you dodge, you can't read your 4.8 million. Yes, it's coming, Titus. It's just not high priority enough. Sorry, man. Boom. Now there's a problem with the exceptions. It's already caught by IO exception. Could just catch every kind of exception. What's wrong with this? This is also IO exception. Yeah, it is. Catch the IO exception there. So we open connection, buffered reader with the input stream from the connection. Then we make an input line. Read it line by line. We can probably do that more cleverly. Yeah, we could read characters for the entire length of it. No, let's just do that. It's not gonna be tons of lines. Already suggested. Yeah. I know, guys. We need some kind of way to display big numbers. It's either gonna be with spaces or with dots in there. Over here too. And right now it's just we got the chatbot problem here, which is pretty huge. It's the input line. Then we can get our response. There's our response. Read line not equal null. When done, we close it down, catch any exceptions. Then we have a response. Now this is going to be whisper. So we close the connection and let's just leave it in here and then whisper out the response to the sender. The response. Boom. There we have it. I think that's basically all this bot needs to do. Because we know that we have these, define the commands, have a script with the same name as the command, request that script, open a connection to it and read in the response from it when running it. This should do just that, just as a get request. Then we just need to reform or rewrite some of our or all of our scripts to fit this new style. But it's not a complete rewrite. Let's at least try and get one of the commands to work. Don't have too much time left, I'm afraid. Yeah, this should be good. Now we just need to echo out. Instead of saving to text files, we just echo out in the PHP script what we want as the response. And a thing to remember, everything's gonna be whisper now. Is that good? Is that good, guys? Yeah, because these are all the whisper commands anyway. We made sure we only call the whisper bot on our whisper commands, which is conflict commands. Give sacrifice start to rich. Actually, we have help here too, also whispered. Help that fits in here. There. I forgot about that one. So I think we can get away with very few lines of Java code for the bot, which is going to be pretty neat. It's not running right now, that's cool. Okay, so we're gonna make simple one work at first. Maybe the start thing, maybe the act one work first with the new style, because it's simple. But I'm gonna take a short break and be right back for last part of the stream, and where we get some of the scripts working with the new bot here. That's gonna be nice. Let's see how they're doing over here. Looking good. Pretty good time waster. I think so too. Alright guys, see you in a little while. Did you just come in here to say the exact same thing, Pereira? Oh, need the dots? Yeah, we do need those. We need some kind of separator. Mounts are getting too big. Wait, Brad is up to... Whoa, Brad is now 5 million. Damn. Wow. That's pretty crazy. I think we need to tune it down a bit. Down from 25% gain to between 15 and 20 instead. Is what I'm thinking. And actually I found a way to I think I found a way to fix the leaderboard bug issue thing that shows up from time to time. It just showed up there. We can fix that quickly today. Oh hey Midsummer, welcome back. Welcome back. Working on the new chip Twitch bot today, which is gonna replace Ankbot, or it's gonna help Ankbot out, because we're not completely replacing Ankbot just yet. Close all this stuff because it's in the wrong folder. Let's grab our start. That won't make sense in here. So, the new start that we're going to communicate with. Set up the database connection, that's cool. Basically, I found out when we gotta make sure we don't hit the that the database isn't locked. But we don't need to fix that in here, I think. Or maybe we do. Maybe we do. Let me have a look here. It might not be relevant in MySQL. It might only be SQLite. I think so, yeah. I think we're golden here. Right. So we got a new bot to deal with here, which means we are gonna get the user here. Config. That array is good. Same thing. I need to change the database from Ankbot sometime. So how are you doing there, Midsummer? I've seen you you got removed from the leaderboard because of all the because of the massive increase in gold. All of a sudden, too massive increase in the golds. Now we have just the sender and the we're calling it the message right now. Yeah, we need to change it because it's actually not the message yet. We're constructing a response here. That's the message. Let's get that too. It needs to be URL decoded. There is a magical way to do that. It is URL decode the message. So that's all we're gonna get now. For every script, we only get the user who called it and the entire message. So we're gonna deal with it over here. For this one, we don't have to deal with anything. As long as it's start, we're good. We actually don't need the message at all. Doing good, thank you. Oh, that's good to hear. Glad. Yeah. I basically realized that people weren't really getting gold from using the commands. It just seemed like the amount of gold were about the same level, but people were getting the 10 gold every 5 minutes. So I think that's what increased it up mostly, because there was so much loss on the commands. There's a number format over in the leaderboard. Ooh. Oh my. So this is the new PHP. We won't manage to publish that today. You're saying that over here I can do a number format on the points. There. Number format. What is number format? What does that one do? Let me have a look. Sounds like just the thing we need. Number format. Boom. The standard one, no additions. Number format. Ah, puts in like a little comma there. This is the standard one, default English notation. Ah, yes. Well, number format, will that also round up? Format a number with group thousands. That's so clever. There. It is done. You're welcome, guys. There we have it, guys. That's all we needed, I think. The number format. Once I send that over before I stop today, we will have that bug fixed. Or with that improvement made. Let's see if we can manage to fix start really fast. Search replace current file with response. Replace, yes. We don't need that. Whisper, so it's just gonna be an empty message. There's no commands. There's still an event. Check if the user already used to start. That's the same. Has start equals 1. Response. You already received. Welcome to Dwarftopia. I just got 10 starting gold. Command at points. Yeah, that one's different. Wrap it up for me. So, I don't know if I can do plus equals here in SQL. I don't know what I'm even gonna search for. Update increment fields. Ah, I can do field equals field plus 1. Right. That's what we want. We want to increment your value by 10. In case you already got some gold. It's possible. So give start statement on our connection. Prepare. Updates. No, wait. This is no. We're still relying on the Ankbot SQLite database for currency. Yeah. Same as in the leaderboard PHP down here. There's no way around that for us right now. But it's not really a problem. Hey there, why so serious? Welcome back. Thanks for tuning in. We're working on a chatbot right now for the Twitch game I'm running. An improved chatbot. Everything is so far to the left right now. Actually, we only need to open this connection if you're new. So let's do it in here to not do it too much. We should be able to ignore the class, but I might be mistaken. Might be mistaken there. I just thought we could do that. On your phone now, action? Okay. Alright, welcome back on that phone. See, that's how I tried to do it. Yeah, that should work. Shorthand notation. Let's do like 3. You want that one there? See, that's the current one, the live one. I gotta figure out a nice way to oh yeah, I thought I'm actually gonna write a separate script from the command scripts. Basically a script for adding goals, adding or removing goals, where you can just call that script and then it will hook up with the currency database, basically, and give the user or take away points, gold, all that stuff. And then I think we can just include it up here and then use the function. I think it would be nice if we could both add and remove. So we can just call it with a negative value if we want to remove gold. Hey there, Notdillion plays, welcome to the stream. Why did I make a game in PHP? Because that was one of the only options we had back when we started. Because we needed something that could run on a local server. And PHP was easy to get started with. And our commands could then call a PHP script that would do something in the background, return a response. And hey, thank you for the follow, Notdillion. Guy Melts, welcome in here. Welcome to the stream. Let's go over here. Do something like the leaderboard, but different. Nah, actually not like the leaderboard, but let's grab it. Because it does some of the things we want. Wait. I don't know if we need this. This is a DB, although not an SQLite file, but they do it just like without one line there. It seems pretty neat. Let's give it a try. We want a script here that does most of the stuff for us. But the PHP have been working pretty good for us, Notdillion. The way we're running things right now, because we have a XAMPP server here with Apache and MySQL, yeah, and the PHP just runs on there, and then the bot can communicate with the PHP scripts. PHP can then manage the stuff or save stuff in the database, communicate back to the bot. It could we could run other servers. Could have been a Microsoft's like ASP.NET server. Could have been Node.js. Could have been a standalone bot that handled everything. This just suited our needs at the moment that we started. yeah, let's make this such that you can just call this whenever you need changes to the currency database. Every time you want to remove or add points, we will need this script here. So we're gonna call this change gold or something. Change gold.php. Needs to be over in the new PHP though. Or maybe update gold. Yeah, update gold.php. Let's call it that. Update gold statement. All of this needs to be in a function. Yes. Everything here needs to be in the function. Then we have the currency database link everywhere. I'm not sure if this should be inside or outside the function. If I include this and there is a variable outside the function, won't that just be a global variable that I can access in start, right? If I include update gold PHP, then this becomes like a shared variable, I think. Please let me have a few minutes, help you might think better. Let's take a break for a few minutes. Yeah, I take breaks whenever I need to eat something, drink something, go to the bathroom, stuff like that. If I buy something to change your command tome cooldown to like 15 seconds, not 1 minute. Like buy a tome to decrease it. We're actually going to switch away from the 1 minute cooldown expansion to a shared global cooldown of around 10 seconds. Then you can just use whatever command you want every 10 seconds instead of some commands, instead of a lot of commands with a 1 minute cooldown each. Update goals. There's our function. Needs to have the user and the amounts of golds that you want to change. The wrapping just won't stick across all files. That's annoying. Oops. Whoa, okay. That's what I wanted. There we go. We want to update currency user where name equals. Oh, right. We just put in name here, there, no. User. Update. Oh, there did it go. It's hiding. You gotta put set. Okay, update, set that one. Where? Okay. Set here. I think it's called points. Yo, what's up, KML? Welcome over here. What are we doing? I'm working on changing the PHP scripts running the different commands on Dwarftopia to fit the new bot that I just developed in Java here. It's going to be a lot faster than the current bot. And now we just need to change our scripts so they fit the new bot. And then it's going to be pretty nice playing the game. Because of the fast responses, and it won't skip your commands anymore. But let me just check that I remember it correctly. It's called points. set points equal points plus amount where name is user. Execute it with some. Oh wait, how did I do that? Oh, I gotta bind them, right? I did it somewhere else. In giving, I think. You gotta bind the parameters and remember to use always lower target, right? Of course. Here we gotta bind them. The the user first, and then the amount. User in lowercase. And another one. The goal statement. There. Amount of points or amount of gold. No. Don't make it into a string. Not sure if I should check if it's integer over here or something. I think it will work, even if it's a string. It gets put in here. It could still work. Hey, what's up, Irish Hunger? Thank you for tuning in. How you doing? Oh, when you talk next to your name, it shows the money of a player in brackets. We can't do that, Glashin. We can't show the, I can't change how the Twitch chat looks. I can't change how your name appears in the chat. Then we need like a plugin to your browser that will change how Twitch looks. Then we could do that, but... Are you good? Nice, Irish. Yeah, good as well. I'm excited to test the new bot on the game. I don't think it won't be ready today. And if we only do gaming Sunday, then we'll be ready there. But I just need one more day, I think, then I can have it ready. That's at least what I hope, so I'm pretty excited for that. I had to do something here, right, to make sure it doesn't break. We had to do db busy timeout. Basically wait until the server's ready, and then afterwards we had to close the connection and unset the variable. That should make it safer to, that's basically what should fix our leaderboard issue. Yeah, reduce the cooldowns. Yeah, overall they're gonna be reduced. Yeah, if we go with 10 seconds global cooldown, you're gonna be able to do commands. Overall, you're gonna do commands around the same speed, but if you just focus on one command, you can do that command faster. Will the game reset? It might sometime, yeah. I'm planning on eventually to switch over to like a weekly ladder thing. I think that could be the best way of running the game, that it resets periodically. Is this a spare time project or for the company? It's a spare time project, Irish. But I'm working on it pretty much full time right now. As long as I can. But it's for myself and for you guys. Get the bot to automatically plays in a group called $, next to player name. $is up to the players by adding the bot. Nice money when they're on the group. I'm not sure I follow Glashin. I'm not sure I follow what you're thinking about doing there. course, we need to execute this, otherwise we have nothing. Gotta execute it. And what are we returning? Nothing? We could return nothing. It's basically writing our own add points and remove points built together. This was a bot command in ActBot before that we used to manage it. Now we're just writing our own here. I can take negative values too. Oh wait. That means you can go into negative amount of gold. Ah. How do I prevent that? We don't want that. We shouldn't have negative amount of gold. Hey there, the Dusty King. Welcome in here. This is a we're working on Dwarftopia, a Twitch game that it's running live right now on Twitch, and the custom commands for it is built in PHP right now. And we just had to integrate the our current commands with the new chatbot that we're building for the game, a new faster one. If gold less than equal to -1. Yeah, I think I have to do a lookup to fetch the user's amount of gold first, and then change it to either 0 or change it with that amount. Updates the nick the bot gave them when they first joined. Yeah, but the bot can't control your name. Only you control your name. The bot can't do that. Your name is gonna show up like just the way you chose it to be. I hoped we could just do one update here, because ActBot has 2 different removes. One that was force remove and one that didn't. Force remove points even if the user doesn't have enough. I think that one makes it go into negative. I guess the database supports negative numbers, or what? Yeah, probably. I forgot his semicolon. Oh, I did promise. I don't see it. Maybe down here, but this is gonna be removed. Pretty much of all of it. Might have forgotten it over here though, because this is not done yet. This is like halfway done. Just trolling prowess. Oh no! The trolls. Yeah, it's probably not going to be good if we remove it and the user doesn't have that much. We don't want anyone going into negative owing gold to the game. That's not going to be good. Okay, 2 statements then. But if any of you guys are interested in seeing what we're working on right now, you can check it out over on the channel, the game channel. If you're curious, that's the live version of Dwarftopia running right there, and you will probably be able to notice how the bot is unable to keep up with the commands, so sometimes it doesn't respond. The new bot here will fix that because it keeps a message queue and it can message people like 4 times faster, 4 to 5 times faster, or more frequently. Select points from currency DB. Name equals user. Find that parameter. Execute it. Get the results. I did that in, I think, giving? No. Yeah, kind of. Result array. That was the entire array. I just want one thing. Didn't I already do that somewhere else? In start, I think. In the regular start. No. Coin flip. Big. Dual coin flip. Don't think we did it already. I'm curious. We can't execute with parameters. Let's get the results here. Select. Ah, wait. This is not even in quotes. What am I doing? Add the user in there. Execute the check gold statement to get results. That should just be the integer. Ah, that might be a mistake here. The user might not exist. That is actually the case with start. The user doesn't exist yet. Well. Oh, yeah. That's like why we have start. That's to add. That's to create users. Maybe not the best one to start with. Hey there, Sikar. Sikar Putri, welcome to the stream. Thanks for tuning in. Okay, so this one actually needs maybe one more. If this returns nothing, then we know that the user doesn't exist. That's good. Because then we gotta insert the new user. And if it does exist, we just update the amount. Oh, that's okay. That's gonna be good. Results. Execute. Let me see what it returns. It might return false. Oh, it's actually just exec. Resultless query. That's not what we want. Query. Returning a result object if the query returns results. Oh man, it is so weird because we can juke execute here though, just fine, even though it is SQLite 3. And it returns a result and everything, and you fetch the array. And in here it says that there's no such thing. So weird. There's that one. Is that because it's on the statement? Ah, it's because it's on the statement the execute thing is there. Ah, right. Oh, I get it. Okay, there we go. Executes. Returns a result set objects. It seems like it always returns that. Yes. No, wait. On successful execution, false if on failure. This might be empty though. I think we can check, we can fetch an array and then check on the size to see if the user exists. Just like this, save results, fetch the array. Where was I? Was over here. There's the fetch array thing. There's the num columns. Let's do that instead. Result.num columns. Okay. So we select the points here. Then we check. This is good. Let's rename this one to check results. If check results num wait, how do I? There we go. Num columns is 0. User doesn't exist yet. We have to make them. And the user exists in here, right? Let's take a look at our database here. We need to put this info in there. The name. And all that stuff. Let's browse here. Hours is a... Can I see exactly what they are? Hours is a text string. Last seen. That's gonna be now. Rank. Ranking is, I think, it just starts at 1. Even if you don't have any. Oh, that's my bot. Where's the other one? Here. Yeah, you start at rank 1. Ah, num rows. Now that you say it, yeah, I think you're right. This just wasn't a num rows thing. Here, Since num rows is unavailable, use num columns. And rest column type 0 isn't SQLite null. Because when there's 0 rows, fetch all will return 1. Num columns will return 1. Column type for column 0 will be SQLite. Ah, SQLite 3 null. So this is how we're gonna do it. No, if num columns. Ah, we don't even have to check because 0 evaluates to false. Or wait, no, yeah. So if we have a positive number, nice. We're gonna do it exactly like this to check that we have a result in SQLite 3. But you're right, Davix. If we're using MySQL, or MySQL, then we just check the number of rows. But since right now our currency is saved in SQLite, because that's what AnkBot is using, and we're still relying on it for the currency system and for one of the mini games. So we will be able to ditch it though once we are fully switched away from Nightguard. If num columns and column type 0 is not equal, then the user exists. Gotta switch around then. Oh, you lost all your money, KML. Ouch. But hey, welcome in here, Davix. Thank you for tuning in. So in here we do our update, and here we do our insert. Update goals. No, wait, that's right. So in here we know the user exists and check results. Yeah, we're gonna do a fetch array on the check result here and see how much golds the user have before we update, to make sure we don't make it negative. Let's put that in there. Fetch it's only going to be the points though. It's probably still going to be an array. We'll have to check that. Pretty sure it always returns an array. Fetch array. Hey Bard, welcome in here. What am I doing? I'm writing I'm working on my Twitch game, Dwarftopia, which is a chat game. It's run by a Twitch chatbot, and some PHP scripts for handling databases and building custom responses. And right now we're adapting my current PHP scripts to the new bot we're switching to, which is a Java bot. Just made it today. Very simple one that just queries these scripts here that then communicates with databases and sends a result back to the bot, or a response back to the Java bot. And right now we're making an update gold script. It allows us to just call this function whenever we need to update the user's gold, and we do that a lot of time. Oh, we are actually out of time. Damn. I was hoping we could get a one of our, at least one of our commands ready, but they're not ready yet. Not ready yet. Start is like halfway done. What I needed to do was exchange this part here with update the user's gold amount, and then call our function over here like this. Update the user with 10 golds. That's what we want to do instead. Save it up in the start table. Alright. But we are, I'm afraid, out of time for today. So, hopefully it won't take too long to adapt our scripts here to this new bot over here, because it is quite nice, quite fast, and also very simple actually. Doesn't take much code. Got to go, it's been fun. Oh cool, Breaking Loco, I gotta go too. Thanks for watching, hope to catch you some other time. I stream pretty much every day right now, guys, and lately it's been mostly Dwarftopia developments. Will be some gaming tomorrow, and then we're gonna get back to our Twitch game here. Quite curious to see the new bot in action. Yeah, it's a game I made, Bard. It is. I had like a minor change that I wanted to push over. That is the new leaderboard. Yes. No, don't add everything. Just the new leaderboard. Actually, I forgot. Last minute change, guys. Here. Hopefully this fixes the error. Here's the timeout. What kind of game is it? It's a chat game, Bart. You play the game in the chat, and then the events and the progress shows up on the stream. So you can see the leaderboard of top 15 players on the stream, and you get whispers every time you do a command, and you get like the result of your commands as a whisper from the bot. Pretty sure that's how it's done. Didn't close it at the ends. Execute. Should I close it down there? I don't know. Just close it down here at the bottom. DB close. Pretty sure that's what I wrote over here. DB busy timeout. Yes. That should prevent the database locked error messages, because now it should just wait until it's not locked and then do the statement and close it down to prevent new locks to happen. That's it. But yeah, you can. It's live right now, or it's live 24/7 actually. So you can always check it out, Bart. Right over here. And yeah, it should be easy to get started there. I tried to make it as easy as possible to get started. Then we'll see. Once I get the new bot, it will be a lot more responsive to your commands. That was the last change for today. See, I just added the leaderboard, which have the new number formats. Let me see how that looks on the local server. Oh, that looks so good. Nice. It's not in the events though. Not in the events. Events. Events are different. At least I just output an entire text string. Yeah, it's only gonna be on leaderboard for now. I don't have time to anything else. What's the message gonna be here? Added is a timeout to leaderboard script to prevent TP from being locked. To prevent accessing TP while being locked. And then we also get the number formatting. And it's some number formatting to the leaderboard. Push that over. Then we can just hop over here on the laptop, running the stream. Here we go. Let's see. The cool thing is, since the dashboard, which is shown on the stream here, is just a website talking to the PHP scripts, we can update it while it's running. Don't even need to refresh the page. You see the values are updating there. Now notice that we're gonna get the number formatting once we do our poll here. Oh wait, I forgot to actually push it because it needed my password. There we go. Ah, there we go. 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 Boom! Number formatting. Ah, that's pretty. Damn, that's fancy. Right. Hopefully that nasty era is now gone. Number formatting. Yeah. So pretty. I agree, bro. I agree, man. Check it out. It's so much easier now to see how much people have on the leaderboard. I gotta do the same thing for the events. Should be fixed. Let me know if it isn't. At least I really hope it is fixed. That code skills. Oh yeah. Such advanced moves with the number formatting. Bruh, 20 million, man. Wow. Wow, the 20 millions. Alright. Bam. That has been all for today, you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching. To get insight into the Dwarftopia developments. It's definitely not the last time we're gonna stream that. And I'm really excited to get this new bot up and running. The Twitch bot. It is... Is it running? No, it's actually not running right now. I don't think I tested the slabbing. It works. Slapping works too. Yeah. What the fuck? It's just for fun. Just to see if it works. The slabbing. I hadn't tested it. You were the first one there. In the chat. Hold on. Yes, I was streaming tomorrow, Midsummer. Hopefully, at least that's the plan. I plan to not be hungover tomorrow and then stream gaming. Leave me alone. No. I've pushed you away with the slap. But thank you for being here today, guys. Plan is to do a good amount of gaming tomorrow, and we'll see about which games it turns out to be. I hope you guys are gonna tune in. I don't know about the start because I got this party in an hour, so and that's probably gonna be late. So it's not gonna be an early stream. That's what I can say. It's gonna be in the afternoon start. And I catch you guys later. I am out.